Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you the top 10 power-packed foods that will help you achieve rapid muscle growth. So, let's dig in. Number 1. Lean beef. It's rich in protein, iron, and zinc, essential for muscle building and repairing tissues. Number 2. Chicken breast. Packed with high-quality protein and low in fat, it's a perfect muscle-building food. Number 3. Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is not only delicious but also loaded with protein and calcium, boosting your muscle growth. Number 4. Eggs. They are an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for muscle recovery and growth. Number 5. Quinoa. It's a complete protein source, providing all the essential amino acids needed for muscle synthesis. Number 6. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, this fish promotes muscle growth and reduces inflammation. Number 7. Spinach. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this leafy green vegetable helps in muscle recovery and growth. Number 8. Cottage cheese. It's a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady supply of amino acids for muscle growth throughout the day. Number 9. Almonds. These mighty nuts are packed with protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants, supporting muscle growth and overall well-being. Number 10. Chickpeas. They are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and carbohydrates, promoting muscle growth and providing sustainable energy. So there you have it, the top 10 power-packed foods for rapid muscle growth. Incorporate these into your diet and witness amazing results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.